Hello, sweet little learners. It's Miss Hake, and we are back with a little bit of an interesting topic. We're talking about when you do things, does it take a small amount of time? So do you do it really fast? Or when you do things, does it take a long amount of time? Do you do it really slow? Or does it take more time? So that video was fun. We're going to think about what takes longer. So let's think. So in one hand, put eating a sandwich. Eating a sandwich. Okay? So one hand is eating a sandwich. The next hand is going down a slide. So which one would take you longer? Is it eating a sandwich or going down a slide? Raise the hand that you think. That's right. Did you say eating a sandwich would take you longer than zooming down a slide? You're right. Okay, let's do one more. This hand, put drawing a picture. So getting your colors out and drawing a picture. Put that in this hand. And then this hand, I want you to put going to sleep for the whole night. Drawing a picture, does it take longer than going to sleep for the whole night? Which one takes longer? Going to sleep, so sleeping. Sometimes you can sleep for 8 hours, 10 hours, 6 hours. Does it take you that long to draw a picture though? I don't think so. So you're going to get a sheet and it's going to have some activities on it. And you're going to circle the picture that takes the longest amount of time. Putting on a coat or eating your breakfast. Which one would you circle or color in? Yeah, eating your breakfast would take a lot longer. Look at all that. You've got 3 pieces of toast, some eggs, then putting on a coat. So work your way through this activity and see if you can decide which one takes longer and then which ones take shorter. All right, have so much fun and I'll see you soon. Bye.